So, time to wrap up. This is the wrap up for the live market open for March 29th. It's Brexit Day. That's a really big event. The US dollar suffered from the Trump care failure, but is now recovering. Brexit is the biggest deal. For the euro, things are looking better in terms of politics, with Macron leading the French polls, Merkel gaining more strength in Saarland, and oil prices remain relatively low. Today we have the triggering of Article 50 around 12:30 GMT, 11:30 GMT, but rumors are already out. The pound is falling today because Article 50, according to reports, the European Union would like to focus on the divorce terms and not on the wider picture for future relations. And this is sort of a tough stance against the UK, and this is hurting the pound. But we'll still have to hear the official statements from May, from Tusk, and then what the EU's response will be due in the next 2 days, next 48 hours. Okay. Other things to keep in mind today. Evans will be speaking. Tomorrow's a busier day with inflation figures from the Eurozone. Let's see if this pushes the euro higher or not. And we have final tomorrow final US GDP, also important to watch that. On Friday, we have final UK GDP, Canadian GDP, and Eurozone inflation. Sort of a busy end to the week, to the quarter, to the month. Remember, there are end of month flows, end of quarter flows, which could keep things quite messy. Okay, let's go quickly on the charts today on Brexit Day, March 29th. Let's start with the pound. So we're seeing some kind of a recovery at this moment, but the pound is on the back foot again on these reports that there will be tough negotiations with the EU. 124.15, 125.70, and 126.30 to the top side. To the downside, we have 123.50, 122.50, and 121. Euro dollar leaning a bit lower, getting closer to support here at 107.75. So the US dollar is recovering. Further support 107.20. Resistance 108.30, 108.70, and 109.05. The fresh 2017 high. Dollar again, 111.11, almost here we are. It bounced off the lows of 110. Resistance, the former triple bottom of 111.60. So there's quite a range there. Dollar yen is currently in the higher end of the range. Dollar CAD below this pivotal line of 133.80, support at 133, resistance 134.60. Aussie dollar 76.50, well within the 76.10 to 77 range, and the Kiwi dollar hugging, as always, the 70 line, resistance 70.40, support 69.50. Okay, so quite a busy day, Brexit day. Watch out for the statements. It's a really historic day. Again, it was well telegraphed, but now the real stuff begins, the real negotiations.